Hi, good day everyone. My name is Filma Almirol, and today I'll be presenting my research on the career path of an office administrator. This role is essential in keeping businesses and organizations running smoothly, and I wanted to explore the skills, responsibilities, and career opportunities in this field. Let's get started. For introduction, to begin with, let me share the purpose of my research. I wanted to understand what it takes to become a successful office administrator. Instead of conducting an interview, I gathered information through job postings, industry reports, and HR resources. I was particularly interested in this role because I already have experience in customer service and office-related tasks, and I wanted to learn what additional skills I need to develop. In this presentation, I will cover the following: the responsibilities of an office administrator, the required skills for the role, my own skill gap analysis, a SWOT assessment, and a career growth opportunities. For my methodology, since I did not conduct an interview, my research was based on desk research from reliable sources. I examined job posting from Indeed, City of Pickering, and Manulife to understand what employers are looking for. I reviewed industry reports and HR websites to gain insights into workplace trends. I focused on answering key questions like, what does an office administrator do? What skills are required? How do my current skills compare? What opportunities and challenges exist in this career? To analyze my findings, I conducted a skill gap analysis, performed a SWOT assessment, and created a career growth plan. So what exactly does an office administrator do? This role involves a combination of administrative, organizational, and support tasks, including managing schedules and meetings, handling emails and office communication, organizing office supplies and records, assisting in bookkeeping and payroll tax, coordinating with HR for a new hires. They act as the backbone of an office, making sure that everything runs efficiently. For these slides, to become successful in this role of an office administrator needs a variety of technical and soft skills such as technical skills, proficiency in Microsoft Office, database management, and bookkeeping software. Communication skills also need writing professional emails, handling phone calls, and interacting with staff and clients. Organizational skills, managing files, schedules, and multitasking effectively. Problem-solving skills, being able to handle workplace challenges. And customer service skills, ensuring excellent service when dealing with internal and external clients. These skills are essential to maintaining a productive and organized work environment. For my skill gap analysis, I conducted skill gap analysis to compare my current abilities with the required skills for this role. For my strong areas, I have a strong communication, customer service, and organizational skills. That was you can see on that check with yes. For my needs improvement, I need to develop my skills in bookkeeping, HR and payroll system, and advanced Excel. This analysis helped me identify what areas I need to focus in order to become fully qualified for this career. For my SWOT analysis, to gain a better understanding of my career potential, I performed a SWOT analysis identifying my strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in this field. For my strength, I have a strong communication, customer service experience, and organizational skills. For my weakness, I have limited knowledge of bookkeeping, HR system, and advanced Excel. For my opportunities, I have high demand for office administrators, available online courses, and internship opportunities. And for my threats, I have high competition in the job market and evolving technology requiring continuous skills updates. This analysis provided valuable insights into how I can grow professionally and prepare for challenges. For my growth plan, based on my findings, I created a career path that outlines my growth plan. I have short-term goal to improve my bookkeeping and HR system skills through online courses. For my midterm goal, to gain this practical experience through internship or placements. And for my long-term goal, secure a full-time office administrator position and work towards in a senior role. This roadmap will help me stay focused and motivated as I develop my career in this field. For my organizational behavior or OBR concept, organizational behavior plays a key role in office administrations. The following: leadership. Office administrator helps manage tasks and coordinate teams. For motivation, they contribute to a positive work environment, keeping employees engaged. And for communication, they can handle emails, meetings, and daily interactions. And for the decision making, they prioritize tasks, solve problems, and ensure the office runs efficiently. These skills are not just technical but also involve people management and workplace efficiency. For my conclusion, through this research, I gained a clearer understanding of what it takes to be an office administrator. I identified the key skills required and assessed my current abilities. I recognize my strength and communication, customer service, and organization. I also identified areas for improvement such as bookkeeping and HR systems. The SWOT analysis helped me evaluate opportunities and challenges in this career. Moving forward, I now have a structured career growth plan and feel more confident about pursuing a role in office administration. For my references, here are the sources I used for my research, including job posting from Indeed, Manulife, and the City of Pickering, as well as industry reports from the Government of Canada, Canada Job Bank, and Business Insiders. These resources provided valuable insights into a job market, required skills, and industry trends in office administration. Thank you for watching my presentation and have a good day.